Hindu Brahmin said to the Christians, if you Christians live your life according to the Bible, India would be transformed, would be converted within 5 years. The gospel reading we hear, Jesus on his way to Jerusalem, on his way to ascension. He knew the plan of God. He had to accept the suffering and passion to die on the cross, and then resurrection and ascension. So he's on his way, and then he had to pass through a Samaritan village, say a Hindu village. The Samaritans did not accept him because he was going to Jerusalem, where he would be with the Jews. The Samaritans did not like the Jews, they were against them. And so James and John said, shall we invoke fire and thunder and destroy that village? That's what Elijah did when the faithful did not follow the laws of God. Jesus said, my religion is not to take vengeance or kill and conquer. You have to conquer the people with love of God. Convert them through your life example of love and compassion. And so that's what St. Jerome did. He did it through his intellect gift God had given him. He translated the Bible books from Hebrew, Aramaic to Greek and then Latin, English, so people of the world could read the Word of God and follow it in their lives. So God needs each one of us to carry on the spark of fire of faith to the peoples of the world through our example of Christian lives.